Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Finance and Crypto Guide. In this video, I'm going to show you how to sign in to your existing account on Valora Wallet. So let's get started right away. First of all, if you already have the Valora Wallet application installed, then go ahead and open it up. Once you open it, you will see the option to either create a new account or sign into an existing account. But first, just select your language that you wish to use with the application. Once you select the language, you will see the Get Started as well as I already have a wallet button. In order to sign into your existing wallet, tap on the second option which says I already have a wallet. Then just go ahead and accept the terms and conditions, and now you will be asked to set up your 6-digit PIN. Type in your desired PIN and then type it in once again to confirm it. You will then be asked whether you want to turn on fingerprint recognition. You can tap on the turn on button if you wish to do so, or skip it by tapping on the skip button at the top right corner. Now you will be asked to enter your recovery phrase. This is the phrase that is given to you when you create your account in the first place. So make sure that you have your recovery phrase saved somewhere safe so that you can enter it every time you need to log in. Just type in your recovery phrase and then tap on the restore button, and once you have entered the correct recovery phrase, you can tap on use wallet, and now you will be logged into your account. You might be asked to add a phone number if you haven't done it already, so you can do this by typing in your phone number and then tapping on the connect button. You can also skip this by tapping on the skip button at the top right corner and then tap on I'll explore later, and now you will be taken into your existing account and logged in. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to sign into your existing account on Valora Wallet. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.